What's up, YouTube world? My name is Alan. My YouTube channel is going to be called Phantasy Enterprise. I'm going to show you how I fix vehicles. So the first thing we're going to fix today is going to be a Jetta Volkswagen lock cylinder. This is very common occurrence. Having trouble with my Volkswagen. See here, when we put the key inside the ignition, it won't turn over. Having trouble turning it over. Unless I've really turned it over really strong. Yeah, see? Sometimes it wants to turn over, sometimes it does. Alright, make sure when you attempt this repair, do not do it unless you disconnect the battery. That's 100% fact, okay? Because you don't want the airbag going off and blowing on you. The next step is to get a mirror. I didn't have a mirror, so I stole my girlfriend's makeup mirror. Don't tell her I did this. But what you want to do is you want to turn the steering wheel to the left, and then there's going to be a clip right there. You see that? And then you're going to need like a hook or something so that way you can unclip the airbag so it comes off. And then on the other side, you want to turn it to the right and do it again. And then once you get both clips on, then you're going to be able to get the airbag on. And then make sure that you don't pull off too hard because there's that yellow clip that you want to pull off. So make sure you hit the clip and then pull that off so that you don't end up having the airbag go off. And remember again, make sure you're not doing this unless the battery is disconnected. Alright, once the two screws are removed, you want to get the one under the steering column, which is located right there. These two right under there. You can see that. Lift that down. Boom. Once you take the bottom component off, which is this one, take it off. Right here, took that off. Next I did was right here. See this lever, push it right out. Boom. You pull out these cords right here. How you do this? The orange one is on the right side, so you gotta push it down, and it slides right out. So you see here, it has to come down. And this red one is a little more tricky. This red one has to come back. So before it was in, now it comes out. And once you come out, then you can press on this one at the top and it lets you push down. So slide this back and then push this down and then it comes out. Very difficult. Looks easy, but can be very difficult. I wouldn't recommend splitting this piece away from the green piece. Keep it together so that you don't damage the internals. But there's a clip right there in the middle, right there. And then the other one is right there by my right finger, and that's in the back. So make sure you press both clips. This was right here, just like that. This was sitting like right here-ish. You can see it slides in the groove. But this tab right there, you see how it's removed, but this piece right there, that tab is right under this, but I have it removed now, so it comes off. Okay, so this is where I'm at in the repair. So the last module, other module was pretty easy to take off. This one's a little more tricky right here. It sits in here, so it slides in that groove just like that. So what I did is right in between, right there, if you could see, I have put a butter knife and I just jammed it in there. With that butter knife, it unlocked the clip on that side, and then the other clip, which would be this clip right here, right there, and there is where it holds, and after that it should come right out. Now the most difficult part, which is a total bitch, is getting the screws right from here out, right? So I did it without breaking the plastic. I did break the plastic up. It didn't break it up there, but I did break it down here. With this, I don't believe this affects the vehicle. It just affects the housing aesthetics, but you won't ever see it. So with that, you see, I was able to hit the screw, because the screw is a security bolt. There's no top on it. It's not a Phillips or a flat. It's just blank, but it's not in there too tight, so you're able to chisel it out, which is super difficult if you're going at it at a top angle instead of going on the side. So what I did was I broke that piece and I was able to do that. I saw videos online of a whole bunch of people who broke it, but I decided to do my own method. Now that I have it broken here, I've been going at it with my screwdriver, just kind of little bit by bit, and it's been slowly coming out. Now it works better if I was using the chisel, but I'm recording right now, so I'll show you with it removed. Next step. Thank you.
Once you remove those screws, I recommend getting these screws and putting them in the replacement spot so that next time you won't have a blank screw and have to do what I had to do last time. These work really well.
Success. I finally got this bitch out. So now, gotta double check what's wrong with it and see if I could switch it with the new one.
Now you want to change the old stuff from the old master lock cylinder to the new one. It's pretty straightforward. So I didn't make a video on it, but there are other YouTube videos, but I just want to share what I did. Please like, subscribe, and share if you like this, and then if you do, I will continue to make more videos and be more explanatory. Thanks.